Hello and welcome back to another video, and welcome back to the barn. It's a busy day here today. There's lots of action going on, so do please forgive the noise in the background. I think Adrian's about to cut a seat up. Right, so let's go and see what Adie's up to. Adrian's about to modify the front seat of his Peugeot. Is it a Peugeot you're calling it?
It is Peugeot Boxer. Yes, I am going to modify this seat because I haven't been able to find a base spring.
No.
So I'm going to...
what are we doing?
Chop off a few bits.
Chop a few bits off.
And then weld a new couple of bits on, and then put the seat, another single seat back on.
Right.
So
yeah. You've got the double frame.
Double frame.
You're going to cut a bit off and make it into a single frame. Good man, we like that. I like that.
It'll work, I promise.
It's a bit like what I did to my Sprinter. If you haven't seen that video, I'll put a link to it up here somewhere, where I cut the back off of my Sprinter seat, double seat, and made it into a single seat, but I kept the double base so that I could use it as a locker.
Yes, yes.
And is it going to swivel or is it going to be fixed?
It will be a swivel. I've literally just ordered another swivel seat, so that should be here in a couple of days.
Okay.
So yeah, just getting it.
And you can't buy a single base?
You can, but they're silly money, so might as well modify what we've got. They're not worth that much money second hand, so
yeah,
modify what we've got and make it work. As long as it's safe.
Look at that, it's like brand new as well. See?
Yeah, I seen one on eBay for 60 quid and it cost 30 quid to post it.
Yeah.
Why bother?
Yeah, because everybody wants a single seat, don't they?
Everybody wants a single seat. And they're charged, they want £800, £600 to £800 for a single seat. It's like, no, not paying that.
So, why not go to the continent, fill your van up with single driver seats and bring them back here?
That's a good idea, actually.
Yeah, we'll keep that to ourselves. Too late.
Yeah. It's alright, Palava. I didn't realise it was going to be so heavily constructed.
Well, it's supposed to be crash.
I know, it's crash-proof. Tested, yeah. But
you're doing well.
We're getting there. We're cutting off the bits that we don't need.
Cut a bit. It's supposed you're cutting it in half.
Yeah, just taking that off, and then theoretically, we've got the bits that we need. Weld a new plate on the top. Yeah, gonna cut that off.
Cut that off.
That one's gone. So I just need to disconnect this where the seatbelt section is, because the new seatbelt section is going on the outside, which has already got the fixing holes for it there. So yeah.
Yeah, it'd be alright, wouldn't it?
Yeah. That'll do the trick.
Yeah.
Thanks for the use of the torques.
That's alright. If you ain't got it, I'll have it.
Yes, at last.
And if
you haven't got it, we don't need it.
We don't need it. Yeah.
Did it? That's the bit I wanted.
Oh, that's the bit you want to keep.
Yeah, that's all. There. Yeah, the rest of it, if anybody else wants this.
You can have it.
Oh. There you go. That was a 5-minute job, mate.
5-minute job.
5-minute job that was.
Okay. 5 minutes.
So now, because I've not changed its structural integrity at all.
No, you just chopped it off.
Just chopped the top the seat off. So now all I got to do is level this across, put some plating on there, fix the swivel seat to it, pop the seat on.
Easy as that.
Job done.
There you go. Not really a job for your average DIY.
No, a little bit more technical. Plus I can do welding, and I'll get my brother to check my welds because he's a specialist welder.
Oh, so, right, yeah.
If he thinks anything needs to be
strengthened,
then he'll let me know.
Yeah. Welder fabricator, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, look at that. That took some work, didn't it?
4 angle grinding discs as well. Yeah, I'm going to trim all this off, clean it all up, make it all safe, nice and clean. Put the seatbelt fastener on the side, weld it all up, repaint it.
What about lowering the height?
I am.
Yeah, because once you put the swivel base on, it makes it higher, so you could actually cut those straight.
Yeah, so that's why I left them over length, so I can now assess its true height, work off the bench, and then cut it so it's nice and flat.
Good idea.
Cool.
Crack it on. Yeah, you got your money's worth out of that one.
Oh yeah. got it. Don't need that bit.
Now remember folks, Adrian is available to work on your van should you need any help. He's always willing to lend a helping hand, aren't you, Adrian?
I am always.
Yes.
Look at this.
He could be working on your van just like this. Oh, that's superb, that is. That's a craftsmanship.
So when I've got that fitted, re-weld it back together, trim the tops off.
That's it.
Seatbelt fixing, everything's fine and dandy.
Fine and dandy. Just like you, buddy.
Yes, thank you, Mel.
Fine and dandy. AD. Well, that's a nice bit of welding, mate.
Not bad for a learner.
Doesn't look like pigeon shit, so that's all right.
Bit of cleaning up.
Oh, yeah, there you go.
Should think that'll hold it, wouldn't you?
Yeah, that'd be alright.
More weld on it than it came with.
Yeah, that's it, isn't it? Show us this then.
So, Mel, yesterday you were seeing me in that 5-minute
I'll tell you
little
what.
work.
Yep.
I chopped off the existing frame and the extension that was for the single seat, for the double seat.
Yeah.
So what I then did was replated for the seatbelt anchor.
So that's the bit you was welding on.
Yep, that's all welded back on. I touched up some welding down here. I then put some angle iron through to connect the main structure
Look at that.
back together.
Nice bit of angle.
So that's all been welded fully up through there. Welded through here, welded through here, welded through here. Attached the seat, bought the swivel seat.
Brought. Is it
Brought,
or bought?
bought, purchased.
I'm such a cockney Herbert.
Purchased,
You purchased.
purchased.
Yeah, you purchased that.
Yeah.
Right.
Bolted that on this morning and it's ready to go into the van and hook into place and bolt down and put the seat on it.
Where did you purchase this from?
Good question. I'll find that out for you.
We'll put a link in the description.
Good idea.
Purely for your convenience.
Okay, mate, so I'll put that in the van and then you'll
What's the depth of it? How it increases the height of the seat?
47 millimeters.
Yeah, but this is quite slim compared to yours.
That's
It's
what I was
quite low
asking,
down.
because it means that it's less of a height
Yeah.
adjustment.
Height
Definitely
increase.
less than mine.
Yeah.
Nice. It's a bit more substantial.
Sorry about the wet
The
paint.
paint's still wet.
Painted it yesterday.
Is that fresh?
That's that fresh. Bought from the shop.
It looks good.
So it's sturdy, it's sound.
Does it lock all the way around?
No,
When
no,
it's in the-
no,
When
you
it's
can
in
just
that
swivel.
position? Oh, it doesn't lock in
No.
position.
And obviously the angle is set for the angle of the van.
Yeah.
I
So-
like that, yeah, because it's not also a
Yeah.
flat.
So I'll put it in the van and you can do a little
put it in the
video.
van?
No, sorry, it'll just sit straight in.
Yeah.
Designed that way. Thank you very much, mate.
Right, let's have a look then. See what
Yeah.
it looks like in the van.
And Mel can test it out.
Monster's gonna come and inspect it as well in good old Monster fashion.
So as you can see, there's two lugs that are already in place. Locks in,
No.
2 bolts at the front,
Oh my god, that's so easy. Yeah.
bolt there, bolt there. And as you can now see, it's parallel to this, almost parallel to the van.
I might
The
have to
seat's
get
got the adjuster for the anti-submarining.
That's so easy to go in.
Yes, I do like this.
Oh darn. And you're going to put your driver's seat on here.
Yep.
And then you've got a forward seat to go on there.
Yes. Because the Peugeot seat
Just don't cut.
doesn't
Just don't
suit
cut it.
my posterior.
Your derriere.
My derriere. So yeah, that's that. And then I'm going to pop the seat on in a minute and bolt it all in and I'll show you.
Yeah, cool.
Okay, mate?
That seat would just go straight on top of there.
Yeah, yeah. Already designed, all the bolt holes are ready to go. So all I got to do is turn it that way, put it on, bolt it straight on, job done.
Easy, isn't it? So easy.
But this was what I was after. I just couldn't find one. I found one on Facebook Marketplace locally, but the guy didn't get back to me. So I just got on and modified the one that was already in the van.
Made your own.
Yeah.
Easy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's good enough.
Does the job.
Oh, you've already fitted the swivel base to that side as well, so
Yeah.
you knew how it worked.
Yep, it's ready to go.
And you ordered this yesterday and it come today?
Yesterday, yeah.
That's pretty quick.
3 o'clock yesterday afternoon I ordered that.
You didn't have to wait 4 weeks, I've got to wait.
No.
Yeah. I need a Peugeot boxer, I think.
They're good vans. They are good vans. The mechanics aren't as good as a Mercedes, but the body work well saying that. Limp mode-itis.
The veins.
Speak to yourself.
The veins, I was referring to the veins.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, that's
brilliant, mate. Right, get the seat on. I'll come back in a minute and have a look.
Alright, no worries.
See how it works. Easy, innit? Oh look, there you go.
There we go.
Have you got any?
Yeah, I've got to locate it properly.
Yeah, it's got locating pins in it, I think. Yeah, it's got. Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's located in those lugs now.
Yeah, there we go.
Yeah, I thought there might be some sort of locators.
So just got to bolt that on.
So Adrian's finally finished his seats. They're installed, but he said you had to do something a bit modified handle.
Handbrake. Well, the handbrake, I've had to put some packers in at the top to lean it over, so I can.
That's weird, isn't it? That they got the handbrake there.
I know, it's really annoying. Really annoying.
Mind you, it leaves it free for you to walk through.
And you know, like with Becky's van. So what I did was, I've also.
And it swivels alright.
Swivels
yeah,
fine.
it clears it, doesn't it?
I used the original seatbelt with the tensioner.
Yeah.
So that goes back, it plugs into the electronics.
And that still works? No warning lights?
Not yet. The clip won't go back together properly. That's one of my next jobs.
Oh.
But yeah, that works really well. Passenger seats.
Hang on, I'll come around the other side.
Okay, mate.
Look at that.
So now we have with the passenger seat.
So this is
the driver's seat.
The driver's seat from this van?
Yes. Goes backwards and forwards.
Swivels round.
Swivels around. Backwards and forwards. A little bit of a height adjustment as well.
Makes so much difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, absolutely. You know.
Opens up the whole van.
Yeah. So we also can do.
Oh, yeah.
Dining table. Dining table. I much prefer the Ford seat than the Peugeot seat. A bit of metal or something just here.
Oh yeah, both
So when you're
sides.
sat on it, you can feel it in your rear quarters.
In your hips.
So, yeah. But this one, much prefer. It's got more lumbar support.
What's that seat out of?
Ford Transit, same as mine.
Oh,
It's just the space. You get so much more space with it.
yeah.
Seatbelt works fine because obviously it's the original seatbelt fixings.
Yeah. Just swapped it over.
Yeah, and everything's fully welded up and repainted.
Cool beans.
Thank you.
There you go. So there you go, everyone. Adrian's now got 2 front swivelling seats, and it cost him 150 quid for another seat.
Yeah.
Plus a swivel base. Absolutely fantastic. Make sure you give Adi a thumbs up.
Cheers, guys.
Well, thanks for watching this video. Hopefully we'll see you very soon. Don't forget, if you are interested in renting a space at the barn, then do get in touch. I'll leave all the details down below. See you very soon. Ta-ra for now. Oh yeah, that's nice and comfy, isn't it?
Yeah, much nicer.
Yeah. Yeah, you could sit here, couldn't you? Do your work and
breakfast
and everything.
Yeah, whatever.
Yeah. It's alright that. Feet dangle a bit.
Drop the seat height
Yeah,
thing.
oh no, that's alright, yeah, that's fine. Oh, that's better. Makes all the difference, that. That's alright, mate. Done well.
Thank you.
Yeah. Done good. Yeah. Excellent. Right.
Cheers. Mel.
Yeah, I need those. Got to go and edit a video.
Alright, mate. Cheers.
See you later.